Hey, I'm James Griffin from the Boatyard Gallery at Greystones Harbour. I was a picture framer for a lot of the artists in Greystones. I initially wanted a workshop. I was looking for an ideal location. Had an idea that I really wanted to open a gallery as well at the same time. We have all different sizes of artwork on display, all different budgets, something for everybody. Costume jewellery here is made by Melanie Hand. Perfect for a night out, especially with Christmas coming up. So there's lots of ideas for gifts there as well. These interesting pictures here, this is Trish Banks. She makes these mosaics from buttons and beads. Tom Byrne, he's another local artist. He's abstract pictures of Greystones seafront. All the silver jewellery in the cabinets is made here in the workshop upstairs by Jason. You can make jewellery to order. He also does workshops with people if you want to come in and make your own jewellery.
I'm Jason McGowan. I make lots of gold and silver jewellery, all bespoke, handmade from beginning to end. Set all the stones myself. Come and visit us. We'd be delighted to see you.
We have some really great unique artwork. These ones have ceramics in them as well, and the ceramics are made by Karen, who does the ceramic artwork that we also sell in the gallery. Majority of the photography on display is from around County Wicklow area, but we also have pictures from all over Ireland. We have all different sizes. We have everything from framed pictures to small prints to large canvas. This is famous Mankey map. It's sold all around the world, so we have it for sale here. Colourful illustrations by Hairy Fruit Art, Helen McGee, and she also has a large range of greetings cards. These pictures here made from sea glass and driftwood and stones, and it's all from material that's found on the beaches here in Greystones. So these are really interesting pieces by Nancy of Sea Bloom Art. We also have Stella Kern. Gina McKenna Burns. She has a lot of work depicting Greystones. These cards are by Sharon Wells, a felt artist. The large picture of the lighthouse up there, it's all made by felted fabric, felted wool. We also have these unique ceramics by Yvonne Leon. We've had a great year. It's been wonderful to show so many artists so far. Can't wait to show more artists in the next year. Please come down and join us.